Hello, my friend. My name is Joshua Mugabi. I welcome you to Human Biology Part 18. Without wasting any of our time, let's go directly to our quiz. A structure unit of a myofibril in striated muscle, consisting of a dark band and the near half of each adjacent pale band. Sarcomere. What is a motor unit? How does arrangement of motor units enable coordinated control of loads of muscle fibers? One neuron plus all muscle cells it is connected to, usually tens to thousands. One neuron can stimulate the contraction of thousands of muscle cells for gross motor control, or few cells for fine motor control. What is BMR? The basal metabolic rate. About 80% of the cells in the nervous system are neuroglial cells that do not transmit impulses. One example of this cell type is Schwann cells in the peripheral nervous system, which produces a fatty substance called myelin. What is an action potential? A rapid depolarization and repolarization of a neuron's membrane. When does action potential occur? When the summation of graded potentials reach threshold potential and it triggers the sudden reversal of membrane potential. What is the result of an activated parasympathetic nervous system? Stimulates the body to feed and breathe, and to then rest and digest. Where are the somatic senses located? Located throughout the body in skin, joints, skeletal muscles, tendons, and internal organs. What environmental stimuli do somatic senses detect? They can detect temperature, wrist bones, couples. List the 5 special senses and the type of receptors that are part of each sense. Taste, smell, those are chemoreceptors. Hearing is mechanical receptor. Balance and vision. Tidal volume. The normal amount of air exchanged with ease breathing. Vital capacity. The total amount of exchangeable air in the lungs. Residue volume. The amount of air left in the lungs after maximum exhalation. Why can't you exhale all air out of your lungs? Some air is needed to keep the lungs from collapsing. What happens during the process of inhalation? The lung volume expands as a result of contraction of the diaphragm and intercostal muscles, thus expanding the thoracic cavity. Due to this increase in volume, the pressure is decreased. Carbon dioxide is transported in three ways in the bloodstream. A. 10% is dissolved in plasma. B. 20% is bound to hemoglobin but at the different position than is oxygen. And C. 70% is bicarbonate, formed in the red blood cells and released into plasma. Why can we hold our breath for only short periods of time? Carbon dioxide builds up and the pH drops, triggering inspiration. Describe the similarities and differences in structure of arteries and veins. Arteries have very thick walls to withstand very high pressure, as oxygenated has more pressure than deoxygenated ones. Meanwhile, veins have thin walls. Veins have valves present inside them to prevent the backflow of the blood, and arteries do not have one. Dear friends, thank you very much for attending to Human Biology. Please do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you, I'm Joshua Mugabi. Bye-bye for now.